Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. I am so happy to have you here, and I am Emma Glory, your email market. I am your email marketing and CRM bestie. I am very happy to have you here today. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. And also turn on the notification bell so that you can get amazing videos like this. And also do not forget to like these videos and thank you as you do that. Yeah, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to import contacts into your constant contact. It's possible you have an external contact on your website and you have not synced it directly into constant contact. I would advise you do so because you will not need to start manually uploading all of those contacts into constant contact. You also want to sync directly from your website into constant contact so that it is easy and no leads is going to be lost in all of those cracks. So let's see how we can import contact into constant contact. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your account and you want to go over to contact and you want to click on add contact. So as you click on add contact, you can see that you have various options to add contacts. You can add multiple contacts at once if you want, and that is you can do that. You can add various contacts. You can add the first name, the email, and the last name. But since I have a dummy list already, and it is actually more than just the name and the email. I have the phone, I have the lead status, and all of this. So okay, so that means I'm going to pick the other option, which is to upload from a file. You can also sync from various softwares that you have. If you have a Zoho CRM account, you can sync your contact from Zoho CRM into contact contacts. You can also do that for Salesforce, for your Google contacts, and for all of this integration. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using the CSV file. So I'm just going to click on import file, and it's going to ask me to upload the file I want to use. And also you can download an example file for you to see how this is going to look like. So when you click on upload, it's going to take you into your computer and you can click on the list you want to upload and you click on open. And after you have uploaded that file, you want to click on continue, and then it is going to take you to the mapping page where you need to map all of the 5 columns with the constant contact fields. So you want to map those together. So the first name should be mapped with the first name in constant contact, and the last name in the file should be mapped with the last name in constant contact field, and the email is mapped. And as you can see, the phone number is not mapped, so we want to click on our phone number and we want to pick our, let's choose mobile phone, and we want to check for the lead status. I do not have a lead status field in constant contact, so what I am going to do is I am going to create a new field. This is not correct, so I'm going to create a new field, and as you can see down here, you can see the button create custom field. When you click on create custom field, it's going to take you to the page where it's already putting the name of your field for you, and you can pick whether it is a date field or a text field. Yeah, they do not have much category to pick from, so you can either pick whether it is a text or if it is a date field. The text field, so I'm going to pick text and I'm going to click on save. And as you can see, it has created a new custom field for lead status, and that has been mapped with the lead status in the file. And if you check over here, you see that lead status is mapped to website. That is actually very wrong. So you are going to click on cancel and you are going to click on create custom field. And now you also want to create a custom field for lead source, and it is going to be a text field, not a date field. If you have something like maybe birthdays or the other dates or all of those things, you can then pick the date field. But if it is a normal text, you want to pick the text field. So when you click on the text field, it's already created a lead source for you. Then you click on save, and now my lead source have been created for me and it has been mapped. So you also want to check all of these details to make sure that the ones in the file is mapping to the correct ones in constant contact, because it is possible they are mapping with the wrong fields, and you want to make sure you correct every of the wrong one before you import them into constant contact. So after making sure that all of your fields are mapped, you want to click on continue. So you can decide to put them in a list, and if you do not create a list, they are going to if you do not put them in a list, they are going to create one for you. You can also decide to tag these people after they come into constant contact. So I want to tag these people new contact, or let's say new lead. Okay, so I want to tag them new lead, and as you can see, the new lead is not in my constant contact account. So I am going to click on create new, and when I click on create new, as you can see, it has added that new lead tag into my account. So after making sure that all of this is done and all of this is correct, you want to click on import. Okay. It's telling me I need to ask for consent. So I need to mark this checkbox. And what this means is that constant contact just want to make sure you have the permission of those people you are importing before you bring them into constant contact. So that means you have the permission to email all of those contacts. So after checking this checkbox and verifying that you have permission, you click on import. Yeah, after clicking on import, you can now see that you can go back to all contacts, and yeah, as you can see, it has imported all of our contacts, and it is now showing the new subscribers in the last 30 days 21. And I had one contact before and I brought in new 20, and it is showing 21 subscribed. And if you go over to my tag, yeah, I have new leads and I have 20 contacts in my new lead. That is because when I was importing this contact, I made sure I added the tag new lead list. I added all of the contacts into my contact list, and that is why we have 21 contacts over here. Yeah, so that is how to import contacts into constant contact. Please do not forget to like this video, and do not forget to share it with anyone you feel is going to be in need of this video. And also, I will see you in my next video. Bye.